Curious about Claude AI and you want to get it on your iPhone? Here's how to download and set it up in just a few taps. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Claude AI on your iPhone. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Go to your App Store. Tap on the search bar and search for Claude. Tap on the install button and wait for the download and installation. Tap on open. Once you enter the app, tap on continue with Google or enter your email here. Sign in with your Google account. Tap on use memory to allow Claude to remember your conversations from the past to give you a more holistic and comprehensive experience. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.